If the zip on the shoulder of your senator outfit still look visible after sewing, then you are doing it the wrong way. In this video, I'll teach you how to sew the zip to look truly invisible under 3 minutes. Let's get started and please watch to the end.
Right now, we're going to sew an invisible zip on the shoulder of this senator wear.
We'll be making use of our zipper foot.
At the back of the zip, we'll mark it so I will know where we'll start our sewing from. Open it up, position it like this. You can see the point where I marked is coming outside the neck piping. So you place it under your zipper foot and sew. Then once you are done sewing the first part, you fold this side forward and then you stitch it. You can see, so you have something like this. You repeat the same process for the other part of the shoulder. Change the foot. Changing the foot, you arrange it properly like this. Place it under the machine. Always make sure the point you mark is well pronounced, so as to avoid error. You also sew this side with 1/2 inches. And then on this excess, fold it backward like this, and then you sew it. Once you are done sewing the two sides, you can zip it. When I open it, you have something like this. Then zip it, you have this. So this is a better way of sewing invisible zip on your senator wear at the shoulder side.